that with one of my paintings. That's thank you for QVC for letting me actually share some of my passion for art, of course, for eating, dining, and entertaining. And right now, we're going to talk about another passion, and that is how to store it when it's done. So this is coming to us from Temp-tations, a 3-piece nesting glass storage system. Now, these are at a clearance price of $24.84. So once we sell through what we have, that's going to be it. Once they're gone, there's no reorder. You're saving about $15 off of each set. So it works out to be just over 38% off. And in the front is where all the colors live. So let's go up there in the front and then kind of walk through all the color choices, and then we'll get jumping into each one of these and what they do. So on the front row is the floral lace pattern. For anyone that already collects the Temp-tations, you'll recognize floral lace. You're going to get 3 sizes. They all nest inside, and they actually come with these lids, and we'll talk about the lids in just a second with Tara. So here's your black in the floral lace. There is your green floral lace. We have the brown, the red, and then the cranberry. And then on the top shelf, we have your polka dots, we have the red patriotic, and we also offer it in that blue confetti. So there are reasons for using these throughout your home. You're actually getting 3 different sizes in this. You get the 3-cup, the 6-cup, and the 10-cup, and they all come with lids that nest inside. Tara Treasure is here with us to talk about Temp-tations. Tara knows I have a whole kitchen full of them. My cousin Trish, who is probably watching, also collects. She collects the same color I do, the brown. So it's so nice to have now glass nesting bowls that we can actually use to store all of our delicious leftovers.
You're absolutely right. Not only can you store in them, which is fantastic, but you also can still cook in them. So these still go in the oven, Jane. First of all, congratulations on your great show.
Well,
Very
thank you, and Happy New Year. I forgot to say that.
Yes. No. We'll get to it. No big deal. Happy New Year. They go in the oven up to 500 degrees. You can put the glass in the microwave, not the lid. You can put everything in the dishwasher when you want to go ahead and clean it. And of course, they go in the fridge and the freezer. Because you have that silicone seal, you're actually making these airtight and watertight. There's a silicone finial at the top. You're just going to actually give that a little burp. You're going to pull it back, and then that releases that seal. And that's what's so amazing about this. It's like everything you love from Temp-tations in our stoneware, now in our glass. So when you're storing things as well, you literally can prep, cook, and serve and store in all of these pieces.
I have to already go through the colors and give you some updates because these are just about gone. But I did want to close this up to my mic so you can hear it. And now I've sealed it completely. So again, whether you're using it for dry goods, your baking goods, or whatever, we've got you covered here with these. All right, so let's start on this side and work our way down. So on the top row, we have the polka dot. We have 2 dozen remaining. We have the patriotic, 500, and the confetti. So that's that multicolor with the teal lid, 100 remaining. Then in front of that, we have black in the floral lace, 200. The green in the floral lace is last call, final dozen. There are 12 people that'll get that pattern. Here's the brown that my cousin Trish and I both collect. Next is the red. And finally, the cranberry. And of course, these are not nested, but these do nest, and all 3 of them fit inside of one another for, I missed this color. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Eggplant rounds out the assortment. There's only 100 of these, so not a whole lot. Please don't wait if you want those. But let's talk about the way you like to use them in your kitchen, Tara.
Yeah, sure. So for me, remember, pop that finial on the top, because if you don't, that's what literally makes it airtight and watertight. Once you pop that seal, you can take everything off. So whether it's your dry goods that you want to get out of those cardboard containers and store them in there, that's what's amazing. Whether it's your rices, your pastas, all of those different things. This is something that we are retiring, not our glass, but this collection is. And it's one of the largest ones that we offer. That big one, Jane, is 10 cups. That middle one is 6, and then you have the 3-cup. We did a baking scenario here where this is legit. This is where we have our brown sugar. This is where we have our flour. And then at the bottom, we have our regular sugar. What's great about this is because when I give that pull on that little top there, I now can release that and everything stays fresher longer because you have that airtight, watertight seal. And then you push it down, and that is the sound of freshness, all of that air releasing. So whether you're storing things in or baking. Sorry,
Two
Jane.
colors already sold out in this now. So the green is gone and the polka dot has sold out. Confetti will be the next to go. They all work exactly the same. If you want any of these in particular colors to match back to what you already collect, fine. If not, just get them because of this amazing price. $24.84 is the price, and you have 3 months to pay for it at $8.28. Sometimes that is the hardest part when you're entertaining is, okay, now here's, first of all, take a little something with you. And at this price, you don't mind saying, here, take this with you, enjoy the leftovers. If I get the container back, fine. If not, I don't. But then it's nice to be able to actually store all of your dry goods, keep them fresh, your baked goods, keep them fresh, and then all those leftovers, which then you can then reheat in this container in the glass. And that was one thing that my mother, she never liked to use plastic to store. All the food that you're making that is delicious and so fresh, putting it in plastic is never always, the recommended way to store it. Now you don't have to. So going through the colors one more time. Oh, I have to give an update. Okay, which ones? Eggplant is gone and the confetti is now gone. All right, so now the shelf is getting a little bit more bare. So patriotic, we have 400 remaining. Cranberry, 3 dozen. Red, 6 dozen. Brown, 600. And the black in the floral lace, 8 dozen. And that's it. And you will get all 6 pieces, 3 cups, 6 cups, and 10 cups with the lids that seal in the freshness and keep out the badness. And also, again, gives you the opportunity to use these in the microwave and in the dishwasher safe. Miss Tara, thank you so much for spending a little time with us.
Are you kidding?
It's
great
good to see you.
And congrats again. Happy New Year, and I'll see y'all real soon.
All right, you be well. And you can
too.
find
Bye-bye.
more from Tara's Temptation collection on QVC.com. There's so many incredible storage and serving capabilities with her. Oh, brown and patriotic only. So perfect. Lauren and Chelsea.